there! Nice to see you today. I'm Huggy the Happy Heart. You might know me from my heart word videos for those tricky irregular words like the and one. Guess what? Today I'm calling in a special friend to help me with spelling and reading other words. I'll tell you why. I started to write a sentence about my pet dog in my journal. My sentence is, my dog was mad when we made him take a bath. The words mad and made are missing because I'm not quite sure how to spell them. I know that the word mad has 3 sounds. D. I also know that the word made has 3 sounds. A, D. In both of these words, I can hear the sounds for the letters M, A, and D. So do I spell the words the same way or differently? I'm confused. Sparkle the spelling star, can you please help me? Here I come, Huggy. I'm always happy to help my friends with reading and spelling. If we learn the magic E rule, we can spell and read mad and made, plus lots of other words. I made up a fun rhyme to help us remember the magic E rule. At the end of a CVC word, magic E is silent but strong. It magically changes the vowel from a short sound to a long. To use this rule, it's important that we know what a CVC word is. CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. We usually say the short vowel sound for the vowel in a CVC word, like the word cat. We also need to make sure that we're pros with our vowels and their sounds. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Y can sometimes be a vowel, depending on the word it's in, but today we're going to talk about the 5 that are always vowels. We can say 2 sounds for each vowel, the short vowel sound and the long vowel sound. Let's review the vowels and you can show me how well you know your vowel sounds. I'll go first with the vowel A. I'll say the short vowel sound first, followed by the long vowel sound. A as in apple, A as in acorn, E, as in elephant, E as in eagle, I as in itchy, I as in island, O, as in octopus, O as in open, U, as in umbrella, U as in unicorn. Once we know the vowels, the consonants are easy. If a letter isn't one of the 5 vowels, then it's called a consonant. Let's use our magic E rule to read this word. I would love your help. First, let's ask ourselves, does this word have the CVC letter pattern? Yes, there is the consonant F, the vowel I, and the consonant N. Then we need to look at the word and ask ourselves, does it end with a magic E? No, you're right. We just noticed that it ends with the consonant N. Without a magic E on the end, we know our word is going to have a short vowel sound in the middle. The word is fin. I could see the whale's fin when it came out of the water. Here's another word to try. Let's ask ourselves, does the word have the CVC letter pattern? You got it, it sure does. We've got the consonant F, followed by the vowel I, and then the consonant N. Now our second question, Does the word end with a magic E? Yes, there is a magic E on the end this time. That means we say the long vowel sound for the vowel that comes before the magic E. Fine. The word is fine. We were worried it was going to rain today, but the weather turned out to be fine for our school field trip. You are doing so well using the magic E rule that I have a game for you. Look at these two words and decide which one is the word cub, as in a baby bear. I'll count down from 5. If you guessed the 3-letter word, you got it. In the word cub, we hear the short vowel sound for you. K, b. That means there's no magic E on the end. Way to go! Let's go back to your sentence, Huggy. My dog was mad when we made him take a bath. Using the magic E rule, we can spell mad and made correctly now. When we spell a word, we need to match the sounds that we hear with letters. In the word mad, there are 3 sounds. D. So we will put 3 sound boxes up on our board. Is spelled with the letter M. The short vowel sound for A, is spelled with the vowel A. And the last sound, D, is spelled with a D. Because we hear the short vowel sound for A in the word mad, we know that there isn't a magic E on the end. The word made also has 3 sounds. A, D. I also put a line at the end of the sound boxes, and we'll talk about why that's there really soon. Is spelled with the letter M. The long vowel sound for A, is spelled with an A. This is the important part. Since we hear the long vowel sound for A in the word made, we know there must be a magic E on the end. We'll put it on the line and not in a sound box to help us remember that magic E sits silently at the end of the word. The last sound in the word made is D. This is spelled with the letter D. Thank you so much, Sparkle. Now I understand how to spell mad and made differently. When we put silent magic E at the end of the CVC word mad, it uses its powers and changes the A from a short vowel sound to a long vowel sound. The word mad has turned into the word made, thanks to magic E. Now I can finish writing my sentence in my journal. My dog was M-A-D, mad, when we M-A-D plus magic E made him take a bath. Thank you so much for the help today, Sparkle. Let's say the rhyme together one more time because I know it's going to help me remember the rule. At the end of a CVC word, magic E is silent but strong. It magically changes the vowel from a short sound to a long. Have fun reading and spelling with your new friend, Magic E.